kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So let's get it. V. V is for ball. V. V is for gorilla. Q. Q is for queen bee. M. M is for monkey. U. U is for umbrella. P. P is for panda. H. H is for house. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for X-ray fish. S. S is for strawberry. N. N is for nut. J. J is for zebra. V. V is for van. E. E is for elephant. O. O is for orange. Y. Y is for yak. K. K is for king. R. R is for rabbit. D. D is for dog. J. J is for jellyfish. F. F is for fox. A. A is for apple. L. L is for ladybug. T. T is for tiger. C. C is for crab. I. I is for ice cream. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Bye bye kids.